my god, I'm so excited! My name is Emmanuella, and thanks for joining this channel, YoungNaijaMum. Today I got an order from Jumia and I'm excited to share my experience with you. This is a new channel, and to foster more communication with you, I bought this lapel mic. Now Jumia is an online shopping mall that runs this Black Fridays on an annual basis. They run these flash sales where they have slashed prices of items that were previously on sale. So this is the EY510A mini portable clip-on lapel mic wire microphone. I ordered this on Jumia at the price of 1,890 naira. The initial price was 3,706 naira, and this item was delivered via Jumia Express. Yes, I paid on delivery. You can see the parts of the lapel mic, that's the clip and the microphone, as well as the external connecting device. If you want to see how this lapel mic or lavalier works, make sure you watch this video to the end, as you'll be seeing my review of the lapel mic or lavalier. Hello my people, my people. My name is Emmanuella. You're welcome to my channel. This is YoungNaijaMum. I want to believe you just watched the unboxing or revealing of my lapel mic. Now I've been struggling to see how this lavalier works for the past few minutes, so now we are using a different application after doing some related research. So we're going to be going on to see the efficacy of the lavalier mic once again. Okay, now can I say once again, since you didn't watch the previous videos, I mean, I'm not going to be posting those, as the lavalier did not work in those videos. So right now I'm using the lavalier. I'm recording this video with the lavalier clipped to my body, but it's not attached to my phone. As you can see, it's not attached. So this is the mic attachment. So I'm going to be attaching it to my phone right now, and then we'll see the probable difference in the sound. Hi, I'm back, and the lavalier is attached to my phone. All right, can you hear me? Is there any difference? Is there no difference? So I would like you to put your thoughts down in the comment section down below and let me know how this lavalier has been effective in your ears. Is there any difference with me not using the lavalier, or then me using the lavalier? Does it sound good? Does it sound better? Let me know your thoughts. You can also put down suggestions of videos you like to see on this channel in the comment section. Like this video, share with your friends and family. Oh my god, I'm so excited, because this is the first step in the right direction. Yeah, so I just watched the video you are just seeing right now, and I can see from that video that the lavalier actually does make a huge difference. Yeah, a huge difference. I say huge, I mean a huge difference. So we're gonna be going on recording videos with this lavalier. Yeah, is somebody excited in the house? I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm happy. All right. So I also like to give you the tip on how I went about making sure that this lavalier actually works with my phone. I'm using a Nokia 6.2, and I just went on video. Shout out to a fellow YouTuber, Happy Explores. Happy Explores. That is HAPI, then EXPLORES. Yeah, I think I'll leave a link down below. She's the one that mentioned this in her video. I guess she probably went through the same thing that I just went through, and she decided that, oh, there might be other people that will be facing this kind of challenges. And according to her, it's a very simple thing. You just watch the video down below. I mean, it's going to be a good thing for you to promote her own YouTube. Also, you can check up. I'm going to try as much as possible to put the link down below, so you can see if you are also facing a challenge, or you just got a lavalier or a lapel mic that you would like to use in making your own videos, and you might be facing challenges in seeing that perhaps there's absolutely no difference with your normal phone camera in making your video recordings. You can watch this video down below. But the long and short of what I did was that I downloaded an application called Open Camera. Yeah, Open Camera on Google Play Store, and that is what I'm using to record now. The camera is not as great. The effect of the camera does not look so as great as what is my phone camera directly, but I think it's just good enough. It's gonna have to do, you know, because it works with my lavalier. Before I go, I'd like to let you know that I will also be doing another unboxing of my ring lights and tripod. I made another order via Jumia for this ring lights, which we are going to be revealing the particular type, and we'll talk about we are going to be reviewing how effective it is and how great it's going to be. Right now I'm filming this video without a ring light, with a natural light, and then without a tripod. I just placed it on the table right in front of me, my sewing table, by the way. Yeah, so that is what I'm using right now, and very soon I already placed an order for something else off of Jumia. It's not the first time I'll be buying products from Jumia. I bought quite a lot of electronics and home equipment from Jumia before I got married, and it's been a long while. Jumia did not pay me for this ad that I'm doing right now, but in times past I've had good experience with them, and I think I trust them to an extent. So watch out for that video on the unboxing or on nyloning or eventually the revealing of our ring lights and tripod stand. See you soon.